Back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, kindly press the subscribe button. We are working on algebraic fraction. It's a branch of mathematics that's very simple, but you have to understand how to simplify simple expression, and also how to factorize. Those are the things that you need to understand. We have been on this. This should be video 4 on the algebraic fraction. And this case we'll be working on some addition and subtraction. For instance, look at this question. Simplify the following. Okay, permit me to write them down so that it will be very fast and good. Okay, let's work on this following number, only question, and let's see how it will go. I need to manage the board. Now, I want to solve these questions and see how it will go. Now, the first one, solution number 1, is very direct. Mind you, is very direct. When you have 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 3, the LCM is the first thing you do here. Now, which is going to be what? 6. This in this, I'll be having 3. 3 times 1, I have 3 plus this in this 2. 2 times 1, I have 2. Now, the same thing that will happen here. Our LCM would be what? X bracket of x plus 2. This in this, it will be this. This times it will be 4 bracket of x plus 2. The same way you handle this. Minus this in this, it will be this in this, it will be x. We have 6x. Now, it will now be equals to 4x plus 8 minus 6x divided by what? X squared plus 2x. Now, which I'll be having 8 minus 2x divide x squared plus 2x. That is my final answer. You can't go beyond that. Which you can also do, you can easily do 8 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 2x divided by what? X squared plus what? Okay, you can say that plus 2x, which you can now manage. And now at this point, you can cancel. It's allowed to factor out the x, which you will be having. You'll be having something like this: x bracket of x plus 2, which this will cancel this. Is allowed to do that. That is what you can do there. Now, and also look at this question. Now look at this one. It's also a straightforward question. I have 5 divides d minus 4 and plus 2 bracket of d plus 4. Now looking at this, plus and minus is also a different of d squared, but let's see. The LCM will be d minus 4 and d plus 4. Can't you see? That is the LCM. This in this, it will be this. This time it will be 5 bracket of d plus 4 plus this in this, it will be this. It will be 2 bracket of d minus 4. Now, I can now open the bracket by having d plus 20 plus 2d minus 8 divided by d squared minus 16. Now, can you see what I'm just doing now? Can I collect like times? Yes, I'll be having 7d plus 12 divided by what? D squared minus 16. That's the only thing you can do there. That is all. That is all you can do. You can't go beyond that. You can also split like this. Is allowed. That is number 2. Now, number 3, I have this one is 1, or divide 4 bracket of u minus v. I have 1, 5v and u. Don't forget, the first thing you do, the LCM, 4 bracket of u. Can you say 5 bracket of u? Can you say the same thing? This in this, it will be this. It means 1 multiplied by 5v u minus this in this, it will be what? This, which is going to be 1 multiplied by 4 bracket of u minus v. Can you see the same way? That one, I'm just telling you, it can be any number. It can be 2, it can be any, just in case if the number is not 1, because 1 will not change it. Because we all know that 1 is identity, which is 1 under multiplicative. 5v minus 5u minus 4u plus what? Plus 4v divides, I think I will be having, I can call it 20 uv, and if I want to do it, I can call it 20 u squared. They are the same because this and this, are they the same? Yes. Oh, they are not the same. Oh, sorry. Oh. They are not the same. It will be v minus u. V minus u. And one is u minus v. Now, I can now continue by having, permit me to write this and this. It will be 9v. V. Yes. It will be 9v. And in this and this, it will be 9v. I'm just collecting like times. I have 9v minus, here will also be minus 9v, 9u rather, divides 20 bracket of u minus v and v minus u. Now at this junction, you can stop here. There's no any problem. You can factor out 9. Can I? I think I can factor out 9, which let me quickly do that because it will be fine to factor it out. I will be having 9 bracket of v minus u divides 20 bracket of u minus v and v minus u, which is, I can see that this will cancel this. My answer will now be what? 9 all over 20 u minus v. That is my answer. That is my answer. I think this is settled. Now, another one, look at this one. I have 7u divides 2u plus. Now, this is number 4. Now, how do I go about this thing? My LCM is very important. 2u plus 3v. This in this, it will be what? 7u minus 3 brackets of, that's what I was telling you about. Now, this is divided by 1, don't forget that, which is going to be 3 brackets of 2u plus 3v. Now, can I open my bracket? 7u minus 6u minus 9v divide 2u plus 3v. Now, this and this will be what? u minus 9v divide 2u plus 3v. That is my final answer. You can't go beyond that. You can't go beyond, except you want to split like this, which is not necessary. Now, I just want us to work on number 5, which is number 5. Okay, can you see it's very simple, number 5. Number 5 says that this and this, which is going to be what? 3 plus 2 all over 5ab. 3 plus 5 all over ab. Now, once I have this, it's very simple. Don't forget that your LCM is what? 5ab. This is divided by 1. This in this, it will be 5ab. Multiplied by, it means 5 bracket of 5ab. Plus, this in this, it will be 1, which is bracket of 1. Now, I think I'll be having 15ab plus 2 divides 5ab. Can you do anything to it? No. No, you can't do anything to it again. Nothing you can do because you can't factorize, rather expand anything, which is going to be, that one is settled. Now, let's try to work on this. I have, this also is another technical part of it. I have 3a minus b divides 5ab minus 2b minus 3c divides 6bc. Now, don't forget, my LCM can be, I can move it to 30, and I have A, I have B, and I have C. Because, yes, ABC. Now, it will not be this, in this, it will be 6C, 6C, because I'm having 6C. Yes, 6C. Now, I'll be having 6C, which is 3a minus b minus this in this, it will be what? 5a. It will be 5a bracket of 2b minus 3c. Now, it's now time to open it. This is number 6, please. It's now high time to open the bracket, which I'll be having 18 AC minus 6AB and minus, I have 10AB plus 15AC divide 30ABC. 30ABC. Now, is there anything that is common to this? This and this are the like times. This, we have ABC. ABC. We have AC. And we have, yes, is another thing I can also move on. Okay, can I factor out anything here? Okay, I can decide to have, collect like times, collect like time, which is I'm trying to collect like times on the, now I have 18AC plus 15AC, yes, and I have minus 6CB minus 10AB divide 30ABC. Now, can you see this one will give me that will be 33. I'll be having 33 AC, and here will give me, can it be added up? You cannot add them up, and 10 BC divided by what? 30 ABC. Now, is there anything you can factor out there? Nothing. You have to leave it like that, which is for now, you have to leave it like that. Now, before I end, okay, there are another question, which is, okay, I think I've solved that. Permit me to rub this. Okay, another set of questions, which is, I'm talking about this. I think this one, we're having 3A all over 2A plus B minus B divided by what? 4A minus 2B. Now, what you just need to do is that I can decide to what? Find the LCM also, but I can decide to find the LCM, which is 2A plus B, and also okay, before I find the LCM, because I'm trying to look at something that I can do that will make the work to be very simple. Plus B divide 2 bracket of A minus what? B. Okay, there's nothing new there. Now my LCM will be what? I have 2 bracket of okay, my LCM will also remain 2A plus B and 4A minus 2B. I will have this. This in this, it will be what? It means I will be having 3A bracket of 4A minus 2B plus this in this, it will be this. I'll be having B bracket of 2A plus B, which I'll be having 12A squared minus 6AB plus 2AB and plus B squared divides, here will be 2 bracket of A plus B and 2A plus B and 2A minus B. That is what I just did here. Now, what am I going to go now? This and this. It will, are they like times? Yes, they are like times. It means I'll be having 12A squared minus 2AB plus B squared divide 2 bracket of 2A plus B. I can say that divided by 4A squared minus B squared. That is different of 2 squared. Now, since I have that, is there anything I can do? There's nothing I can do. That is all. Now, I think that is settled. This one. Now, this one is a bit different. I have plus 4 divide x squared plus minus 3x. This is minus minus x minus 1 divided by what? 9 minus x squared. This is very simple. And you have to count down, which is number 8. Now, what I just need to do is that x plus 4 divided by x bracket of x minus 3. I just factor minus, this can be written as what? 3 squared, which is different of 2 squared. X minus 1 bracket of x and 3. Now, look at what is on ground. If I attach this one with minus, definitely the sign will change. It means x plus 4 divided by x bracket of x minus 3 plus minus times, it will be plus, minus and minus is plus, x minus 1, it will be what? X minus 3 and x plus 3. I just changed the sign with the help of attaching minus to this thing. Since I have this, I can now say that my LCM is x bracket of x minus 3 and x plus 2 plus 3 rather. Yes, that is my LCM. That's my LCM. Now don't forget that minus is here, minus has now become plus. This in this, it will be what? X plus 4 and x plus 3 plus, and this in this, it will be what? X bracket of x minus 1. Now, can you see what I just did now? I will just open the bracket by having x squared plus 7x plus 12 plus x squared minus x divided by x bracket of x squared plus minus 9. That is what I just opened the bracket, which is different of 2 squared. Now I just have something this and this and this and this. We'll be having 2x squared. This and this will be what? Plus 6x and plus 12. Divide x bracket of x squared minus 9. Now, can you see that I can factor out 2? Yes, I can factor out 2 here. It will be left with x plus 3x plus 6 divides x bracket of x squared minus 9. Is there anything we can do at this point, at this junction? The answer is no. There's nothing we can do again. There's nothing we can do again. That is the only thing we can do. And that is all. Okay, I'll be stopping here for now. Don't forget to share our videos with your friend and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.